Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem of device problem or device issue on Snapchat. You know how to fix or how to solve the problem of device issue on Snapchat. You should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Snapchat and you click. Then you will enter of app info and you click on force stop. Here we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.